Understanding temporary address, an easy guide. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning and use of the phrase temporary address. Whether you're moving, studying abroad, or just curious, understanding this concept is incredibly useful. Let's dive in and make sense of it together. A temporary address refers to a short-term living or contact location. It's where you stay or receive mail for a brief period, not permanently. This could be a hotel while on vacation, a dorm room for a college semester, or a rental home during a work assignment. Remember, it's all about the duration and purpose of your stay. Knowing and correctly using your temporary address is crucial for several reasons. Receiving mail and packages. Ensuring your parcels and letters reach you, no matter where you are. Legal and official documents. Sometimes, you need to provide a current address for documents or applications, even if it's just for a short time. Emergencies and safety. It's essential for safety services to have your correct location, in case of an emergency. Let's put our phrase into action. Here are some examples. Please send my packages to my temporary address, as I'll be there for the next 3 months. While studying in France, my temporary address was a small apartment near the university. It's important to update your temporary address on all your accounts to avoid missing important communications. There you have it. Understanding the concept of a temporary address is not just about learning a phrase. It's about staying connected and managing your life during transitions. Whether you're traveling, studying, or working temporarily, knowing how to use this term will definitely come in handy. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video has been helpful. Stay tuned for more useful English tips. Remember, practice makes perfect. Try using temporary address in your conversations today.